Isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay May 11, 2023, Thursday. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay special report, no? Tatlo. One, we have Ayala Corp, Century Pacific Foods, at DMCI Holdings at SM Prime din po. So, apat po. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inimbitahan ko pa kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review using technical analysis, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well, Marie. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE Today, May 11, 2023, dito lamang po sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, yung ating headlines ay matatagpuan po sa Video Securities. SM net profits up 33% in the first quarter. Ayala Corporation core profits surged 61% in the first quarter. DMC first quarter earnings down 32%. And JFC post first quarter net income to 2.1 billion. CNPF net income is 6.2% up in 2023 first quarter. Tunghayan po natin ang ating mga news items. Ito po yung special report sa Ayala Corporation. Inflation concerns priced in solid earnings outlook for core businesses. There is a maintained buy with a reduced target price to 950 from 980 po yan. AC Logistics continues integration while AC Industrials narrows losses. AC Health expansion is underway while AC Infra pursues NAIA development. So yan po si Ayala Corporation. There is a keep buy rating at 950. Next, we have Century Pacific Food. Meron po siyang maintained buy with a higher target price. Resilient staple revenues with recovering margins. The first quarter earnings is up 6.2%. Branded businesses driving growth. OEM to recover soon. Action valuation, target price raised to 350. Keep buy. So, from 350, may jump siya ng mga 150, no? 28.50 dati, naging 30.50. Action valuation, target price raised to 30.50. There is a keep buy. Ito po ay increased from 28.50. Next, we have DMCI. There is an upgrade to buy, which is good news. Dati po neutral siya. Attractive dividend yield despite normalizing earnings. Action valuation, TP cut to 1090, but there is an upgrade to buy. SEC profits ease while housing earnings lag. Other units post mixed performance. Alam niyo po, DMC is one of the highest dividend paying stocks in the index. So from 1140 ay na-reduce po siya to 1090. Then finally, we have SM Prime. Strong mall operations outweigh residential cancellations. So the first quarter earnings is also up 16%. Mall operations continue to drive growth. Residential revenues dip on sales cancellation while pre-sales accelerate. There is a reiterate buy with a target price of 42. So there is an implied upside of 23.5%. So let's now take a look at your comments Ang sabi po ni Jonathan Atienza 217, good evening sir. Pwede po pa-review ng home. Thank you po. Okay, si home. Pwede po bang pa-review ng Meg at JFC? Maraming salamat. Junjun Tomimbang 6010. Sige po. Meg and JFC. Then, thanks po sir for the daily update and helpful suggestion. Ask ko lang po if China Bank and LTG are good stocks to buy? Yes, they are. They are good stocks to buy. Although China Bank wala po akong study, LTG is one of the stocks that has good potential of growth, ano? Kasi nga, kung titignan po natin yung fundamentals ni LTG, sleeping nga natin yung summary niya. LTG is conglomerate. LTG may buy rating po siya with a target price of 1160. Pero maliit na lang po yung upside niya, 10.5%. But it gives good dividends. And then si Mike Miguel, good day sir, request ko lang po to enlighten us on the recent disclosures of SPNEC if the developments disclosed by the company is favorable or not to shareholders, especially the retailers like us. Actually, kung titingnan po natin yung news sa SPNEC, let's pull up na, no? Si SPNEC. And ito po, no? I just saw this in the news. Ay, hindi nyo nakikita ito. So, let me put that up. Okay, this is from the PhilStar. And sinasabi niya dito na, wait, let me get back. Yan. Sabi niya dito, SPNEC changes share swap to cash purchase. Actually, si MPI owns about 16% of the common shares of SPNEC. In fact, this is good news because this is additional investment for SPNEC, ano? And the investor is Metro Pacific, which would add funds, capital to the venture, no? Kasi itong si Mr. Leviste, naghahanap din niya ng partners or investors that would shore up their capital in order for them to pursue, no, the energy business, the solar energy business. And that is good news, no? As of today, MPI owns 1.6 billion common shares and holds the option to purchase 17.4 billion more common shares. If MPI were to exercise the full extent of this option, it would own 43% of SPNEC's common shares. And as you know, yung pagpasok ni MPI dito is relatively good for SPNEC. So kung sisilipin lang natin, balik natin, ano? Okay, kung sisilipin lang natin si SPNEC, for example. So it's dipping right now, but somewhat time here, yung end of March, ay nagkaroon na po ng news, and this is doing the stock very good, ano? Pero right now it's dipping. But the entry of Metro Pacific would be welcome news, no? So any new investor coming into the company, and a good and reputable investor at that, is welcome news for the company. Yun po masasabi ko dyan. Kasi it adds stability, it adds to the reputation, it also adds to the funds of the company. That's what I can say. Okay, Mike Miguel? So let's now go to the PSE index. Umakyat siya ng bahagya, 16.87 points. Nasa 6675.46 or 0.25% up. It's already turning bullish as our moving averages are under the candlestick. Yung ating market activity, 98 decliners, 66 advances, 42 remained, or 62 remained unchanged. All share index is up 0.15%. Sectoral indices are mixed. Financial holding companies properties and services are up, samantalang ang industrials at mining ay bumaba. The most active stock is SMPH, followed by BDO, Ali, SM, and Ayala Corporation. But let's take a look at your request. Tignan po natin si Home, MEG, JFC, China Bank, at LTG. Yan. So these are the 5 stocks na titingnan natin. Simulan natin kay Home. Naku, nagdidip si Home at bearish po siya. The earnings is below po siya. So yung 2022 earnings is 35% lower than the previous year. So wala pang 1 billion, no? 933 million yung kanyang earnings for 2022. Wala pa yung first quarter. 139 po ang pinaka-support, and then the resistance, there is a resistance here at 247, pero it's dipping and it's already oversold. Yan po, dalawa na po yung oversold level niya. Yan. So I expect the stock to bounce back in the coming days. Next we have MEG, Mega World. Naku, Dragonfly Doji siya, and it's bearish siya. Yan, pababa po siya. Yung ating indicators nasa taas. Ayan. Earnings niya, silipin natin. First quarter earnings is up, 29.97% compared to last year's. And 2022 earnings is also up almost 7%, pero modest yung earnings niya. So I think the stock would do good in the coming days. Support is here, 195 po ang support, so close to support na po ito. And then the resistance, ilagay natin sa MO100 at 2.08. JFC, si JFC had slow earnings. Yan, earnings report niya is first quarter is down, no? 320%, almost flat, no? 2.19 billion, pero may dividendo po siya na 1 peso 7 centavos per share. So it's moving, actually it is, shall we say, bullish to sideways, since yung ating short and medium term are already piercing through. Support is here at 214, and the resistance, near resistance na po ito. The lower is here at 227, the higher is here at 241. China Bank naman, CHIB. Alam niyo po, ang China Bank, ang may-ari po niyan, SM. Yan, ang mga director po niyan, sina Harley C. Yan, sina Big Boy. Yan. Sister bank po niya si BDO. So, si China Bank po also give good dividends. Ang earnings po ni China Bank is up 26.67% for 2022 to 19.14 billion. Nagbigay po siya ng dividendo, 90 plus 190. So that's about 4%. Tama. 2, 3, 5%. 5% po dividend yield. So maganda magbigay ng dividend yield ng China Bank. Kaya lang, ang problema niya sa China Bank is that walang nagbebenta ng shares dyan eh. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng shares, maghahanap kayo ng willing to sell. Ano? Yung mga stockholders niya hindi nagbebenta eh. Yan po. Si China Bank is bullish with support. I see it here at 31.85, and then I see our 52-week high na pala ito, itong 33.80, yung umabot siya dito. Ayan, 52-week high na siya eh, 33.80. Hindi ko makita yung meron. Ang pinaka ceiling po niya, 33 pesos, more or less, based on the 1 week chart. 33.70 po ang pinaka resistance po niya. And nagbibigay po siya ng magandang dividendo. Then finally, we have LTG. Balik natin sa 1-day chart. Si LTG yan, bullish siya. Maganda kasi ang earnings report ni LTG. Pero March, 47%. At saka maganda magbigay ng dividendo po ito. So, I think there's an inkling here na sa market na maganda yung kanyang earnings report. Wala po siya for 2022. So, nakikita ko po yung support nandito sa 988. And then the resistance, almost resistance, well, I think this is resistance already. Itong 1052, 1053, resistance level na po. Pero malakas po yung stock at overbought na po siya. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-11 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.